Time for some apologies. I'm sorry we wasted your time.
Have you watched this video of Jon Snow where he's apologizing for the bad ending of Game of Thrones? If yes, then you have encountered deepfake in your life. Welcome to this video where I will tell you what is deepfake, what can it do, and what is being done to prohibit it. Simply put, deepfake is the new Photoshop, but for videos. Deepfake uses a form of artificial intelligence called deep learning to make fake videos, hence the name deepfake. But what are they for? In September 2019, an AI firm called DeepTrace found 15,000 deepfake videos on the internet. And if you ask me why deepfake is used, then you should know that out of those 15,000 videos, 96% of them were pornographic and 99% of them used a female celebrity face over the original face. Deepfake tech is being used to harass and demean women. It is also being used to commit fraud. Just like videos, audios can also get deepfaked. You can make them sound exactly like someone else. In the March of 2020, a fraudster tricked a German company to transfer 2 crore rupees into an Hungarian bank account by using the deepfaked audio of that German company's CEO. Just think how much of a threat it can be. Now, to really understand what deepfake can really do, I want you to think like this. This is very obvious that if someday you see a video of US President dancing to a song, it wouldn't cause a much havoc. Plus, many of us would understand that it is deepfake. This makes us believe that yes, it is morally bad to spread such fake videos, but it won't create disasters. But think it in this way. We live in a world which is very volatile. In our world, Tesla's stock crashed and investors lost millions of dollars just because a clip which showed Tesla CEO Elon Musk smoking a joint in a live show. In 2019, US President Donald Trump left early from NATO meeting because a clip of his counterparts making fun of him went viral. These videos can create havocs. Now think what can happen if a deepfake video of a religious leader abusing another religion went viral in India. In addition to this, it also poses a security threat as nowadays too many systems rely on your face and your biometrics. If a deepfake mimics your biometrics, then it can literally snatch your identity from you. This is pretty threatening, I guess. The real question is, what can we do about it? Unfortunately, there's not much that we can do, as these technologies resulting in a zero trust society where nothing can be trusted, anything and everything can be fake. But fortunately, Microsoft, Facebook and Amazon is funding a research to build an AI which can detect deepfake video. There is one more tech which is under construction. Developers are trying to create digital watermark with the help of which anyone can find the origin of a video or a photo. This way you can find whether the video is the original version or a morphed version. So this was all I wanted to tell you about deepfake, but truly this is just an intro. There is lot to tell. So if you have any question in mind about it, then ask me in comments. Till then, take care, wait for my next video. This is Shivam Pandey signing off.